Welcome to Bio class 10. Today let's discuss a few questions. Here, question number 1 here. The why is diffusion insufficient to meet the oxygen requirement of multicellular organism like human? So we have to know about that. We know that the unicellular organism, when one cell is there, see that from their surface area there they can take oxygen. So the respiration, it takes place, simple diffusion, requirement is less, and it is taken by the surface areas. But when the organism is complex and the huge number of cells are there, when trillion cells are there in organism, then this surface area if we take the oxygen, then it will be not sufficient. In case of human, you know that 10 to the power 14 cells are there. So huge number of cell will get the oxygen. For that, here the lungs is there. Lungs, the inside lungs, the alveoli is there. Already this is taught. Alveoli is there, and the huge number of alveoli that I told, 36 crore, and which is the 40 times of our surface area. So it clearly indicates that it is not sufficient. Simple diffusion is not sufficient in case of human being or any higher organisms. Next, take question number 3. What is the role of acid in our stomach? You know that hydrochloric acid is the only inorganic acid which secretes in our stomach. But what is its role? Here you have to know that number 1, it activates pepsin. Pepsin, you know that enzyme which normally present in inactive state. Hydrochloric acid activates it. Activates so that it can do its work. It can digest protein. Number two here, hydrochloric acid, it makes one acidic medium. Acidic medium here, pH here 2. So very acidic medium. This acidic medium, pepsin can do work. So it creates that one also. And number 3 here, it kills the harmful pathogen. If through food, if any pathogen enters inside, so hydrochloric acid also kills. So here are the three points that you have to remember. The first one, it activates enzyme pepsin, so pepsin can do its work. Secondly, it makes the environment acidic so that pepsin can do the work. And third one, it kills the harmful pathogen if it is there inside with the food. Next one, what is the function of digestive enzymes? So what actually does this digestive enzyme will do? You know that our food material that we are taking, that is complex food material, like polysaccharides. This complex food material, it means that the glucose, which is simple, that glucose, it is chained, and it is chained with the bond. Now here the digestive enzyme, this enzyme, what they will do, the enzyme with water it can work, and it will breaks this bonds so that the single glucose, which we are telling that the simple form, the single glucose will come out. So that is the function of digestive enzyme, to break the bonds so that it turns into simple. In case of a protein also, the same thing, that peptide bond is broken by the enzyme and so that the amino acid will separate. So that is the function of digestive enzyme. Now next one, how is small intestine designed to absorb digest, digested food? Designed to absorb digested food. You know that the simplest material, I mean glucose amino acid, it is absorbed by the intestinal wall. Look at here, intestinal wall, it is wavy, this type of structure. Here it is in large view, you can see that, which is known as villi. This villi, it increases the surface area. I think you can understand that if surface area is the straight line, then here it is it will increase much more than that. It is estimated that 600 times more surface area it can create. The why it can create that show huge area, because if the area is more, they can absorb the food material or almost all the digested material inside the body. So it is designed in this way. Okay, so for today, this few questions I have explained. So please prepare it and write it in your copy. Thank you.